And top 1 to 6 will advance to the playoffs. First time for the team goes number 7, Castañeda, number 5, Oligario, number 11, number 21, Sanchez, and number 13, Bobby Tuan for the team. All school Ilocanos, Paul Diego, DJ Actovili, number 3, number 6, Baro, and Ramon Diego. First possession, Diego, pass to Actovili, 15 to shoot. Actovili post up 3, bang! Number 8, for 3, bang! Olivario, back to Guyan. Guyan still by Diego. Diego goes all the way to the left to Actovili. Actovili, what a pass! To number 8, for 10 to shoot. Actovili for 3, bang! Number 10, Actovili, 12 to shoot. Robinson, Actovili, 8 to shoot. 6, 5, Tatarmon, 2 points. Doon iwan natin pala ang Dave, Urbano. Ayun na. Urbano, ang layo. Bang! Urbano. Ang layo ulit! Bang! Robinson! Oh, what a move! Tata Ramon, reverse! What a move by Tata! Robinson, lumipat! Kaso wala! Kay Diego ngayon! Pasok! 8 seconds. Robinson for 3. Bang! Not yet. Oh, ball mo sa steal. Kay Diego Paul. Umikot. Oh, what a move! My ball. Gandang galaw nun. Tataramon na yun. Kay number 8. Lumipa! Oh, what a move! Wala! Tataramon! Number 8! Ayun na naman! Tata number 8. Lumipoy! KD! What a man! Robinson! EJ for 3! Wala! KD! Basket! One shot is good. Oh! Wala! Robinson! Wala pa rin! Robinson ngayon! Hindi! Pasok! Nakagawan! EJ nagmamadali! EJ releases 2 points! It's a 12-point lead! 8! 5 seconds! Ang layo! Wala, last 2 seconds. Oligario nagmaman, Urbano again, mainit pa. Wala, Oligario. Kumeke to Castañeda, another 3. Bang! 5, ay. Robinson, wala. Ay Diego ngayon, 2 points. Actovili! Bang! Oligario, pass to Urbano. Agaw ni Actovili. 10 na lang. Actovili. Robinson sa loob, kumeke. Ito pala, Tataramon. Basic na basic. Shot na lang. Pass to Actovili for 3. Bang! Ayun na lang. Diego lumipat. Ayun! Tama!
Apat yan ulit! Oh, what a goal! By goal, apat na lang! Nakagawan ulit!
Just a one possession game.
7, 6, 5. Stars lang! Naman. Diego again! 3. Apat na ang alamangan. Baron to Agkawili. Agkawili to Robinson. 2 points. 2-point lead. Urbano. Last 2 minutes. Naagawan ulit. Penalty na tayo. Penalty. Saan ang alam yung ikaw lang at RJ na nga dagos ni alalain mo.
First and still.
Lang guard ko rin. Sino ada pala di bolo dikit ang awatin na di mag-press mo. Ako pag nagulong ng pinto. Tabla tayo, tabla! 6. Oligario, wala! Oh, penalty tayo, penalty na, penalty!
Unang tira ni Tata Ramon for the lead.
Lamang na ang Old School!
First lead of the game.
Pangalawang tira ni Tata.
2 for 2.
Well, shoot! Robinson! Tata Ramon! Apat na ang kalamangan! Last 47 seconds! Castañeda, Urbano! Urbano! Umukol ng tres! Wala! Wala pa rin! Ayan, 2-point lead! 35.2 seconds! Baron to Robinson! 6 games to shoot! 12 to shoot! Baron! Wala! Ayan na! Last 16 seconds! Diego to Oligario! For the lead! Wala! Agkawili! Wow!
EJ,
Wala! 8.9 Old School, no more timeout! No more timeout dito, no more timeout ang Old School. Ay, ito, bros, no more timeout. Old School, dalawa pa. Pasok, 8.9 Oligario. Last 5 and a turnover. Winner, Old School!